Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and the uptrend continues, so definitely some updates need to be done. First update is just a little bit of an adjustment, and the key dynamic here is, well, what direction does this adjustment need to be made? And now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of support right up here to the previous breakout point and call it at the $85 mark. And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, assuming you're bullish, assuming you're long, that's exactly what you want to see. Levels of support needing to be adjusted higher. And then adjusted higher, that represents higher lows, and that is the name of the game. That's how uptrends are constructed. So a very nice sign that that level of support, like I said, did need to be adjusted in the upwards direction. So keep an eye on 85, although that is the ideal level. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Definitely if the price can stay above 85. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below that area, then all of a sudden the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. But as I've talked about in the past, and it remains the case, just from the general standpoint of things, keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above 85 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter, and I believe I talked about this previously, but if not, going to talk about it either way. But what matters the most is this right here, what the price has already been doing, and that is right there, building higher lows, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.